This bird at my window, wood pigeon, left a big bastard grease stain as the last frame of his life. You can almost see the "uh-oh" flying through his head. I buried it in the garden, next to our budgie. Left the stain there for a month before cleaning the window. 'Cause I'm soft like that. If I die that embarrassingly, please throw me in the weedy bin and don't make a fuss. I can imagine the funeral now. My family and friends giggling at a mat-shaped grease stain on the glass doors of Cardiff Library, at the flat-pack coffin, at the flowers that are all pressed, and my closing number being when I'm cleaning windows.